Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product service. Today, we're diving into Itarian, found at www.itarian.com. Itarian is a powerful platform designed to streamline and enhance IT management. This comprehensive solution offers a suite of tools that aim to simplify complex tasks, ultimately boosting efficiency and productivity for IT professionals. From remote monitoring and management, RMM, to endpoint protection and security, Itarian seeks to provide a one-stop shop for all your IT needs. Their integrated approach allows for seamless management of diverse IT infrastructures, from servers and workstations to mobile devices and cloud environments. One of Itarian's key strengths lies in its automation capabilities. By automating routine tasks like software updates and patch management, IT teams can free up valuable time and resources to focus on more strategic initiatives. This not only improves overall efficiency but also reduces the risk of human error, leading to a more stable and secure IT environment. Furthermore, Itarian offers robust reporting and analytics features, providing valuable insights into system performance, security vulnerabilities, and other critical metrics. This data-driven approach enables proactive issue resolution and informed decision-making. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both seasoned IT professionals and those with less technical expertise. Its intuitive design simplifies complex operations, making it easy to manage and monitor various aspects of your IT infrastructure. Additionally, Itarian offers flexible deployment options, catering to businesses of all sizes. Whether you prefer a cloud-based solution or an on-premise deployment, Itarian can adapt to your specific requirements. With its focus on automation, security, and simplified management, Itarian presents a compelling solution for organizations looking to optimize their IT operations and enhance their overall cybersecurity posture. They also provide excellent customer support, ensuring you're never left stranded when facing technical challenges. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly design, Itarian empowers IT teams to effectively manage and secure their digital landscape, driving productivity and minimizing downtime. Exploring Itarian's offerings could be a valuable step towards achieving a more robust and efficient IT infrastructure for your organization.